guys, so welcome back again to RCUBE360. So in this video, actually what happens is when I ordered something and I got something else, and that something I had to return it and I have to get that something with a new thing. So we'll see what is that something called. So let's see what we have ordered today, and this details I just opened it for you guys, and this is gonna be a quick unboxing video, nothing else. What we have ordered is that something called GoPro extra battery. Oops, this is called GoPro extra battery. So we will be having a quick check on what is actually gonna get it, because in the first time when I ordered it, I got the battery and I thought of doing an unboxing thing, but unfortunately when I opened it I got shocked. And shocked, I mean, this is what you're gonna get it. When I opened it, the battery was actually good, but when I took it off from the package, it was bulged, or it was a damaged product. See in this image, this side and as well as the other side, you can see that battery itself is bulged, or the outer layer, which is a safety factor, which is actually bulged, and I got it from GoPro. Not from a GoPro, I got it from a third-party vendor or a retailer. So basically the manufacturing team, when they have actually bought it to the retail shop. I do not know whether they have opened it or they have not used it, or whether they have used it. I'm not the right person to comment on it. But when I got that product for the first time, that is my first impression. But honestly saying, when I say GoPro, I didn't expect that, but unfortunately or fortunately, I was a person which got it and I had to ask for a replacement. So now this is what I get it as part of replacement for the battery. We can this is a rechargeable battery compatible with Hero 8, 765 and 2018 Hero. So we have the GoPro branding, we have a lifetime warranty. So without wasting much time, let's unbox this and see what's there inside. And there you are. Open it. Yep, we have the package. Oops. Let me see. We have a warning card. We have a warranty card also, and I hope this time this is not gonna be the same. Come on. Yep, there is the battery. See, we have the GoPro branding and we have the battery itself. We do not have any bulge. We do not have any bulge at this side. We do not have anything here, and this side, this side. So how much mAh is this battery? Where you can find the mAh? Here you can find the mAh. It is 1220 mAh of battery, and I would say for a charging of this thing would nearly take 3 hours max. I could say 3.5 or 4 hours. So it depends on how much battery percentage you have it or back. So this is a quick unboxing about the spare battery which I ordered it from Amazon, and this is what you're gonna get it. So I hope this video guys help you guys to make a right decision. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching.